think I'm gonna just give Jerry to Maria. What do y'all think?
Yes, please.
Yeah, she
vote
said,
for this.
Yeah.
I deserve it.
Early morning, headed to the Lonely Star Roundup. Should be a good day. Glad you guys could join us. It's still dark. Sun's getting ready to come up here in a second. But hope you guys can join us for a fun day of living the VW life. Here we go. Hey everybody, I'm here with Carl. Carl, tell us a little bit about your buggy.
Okay, this is the 1961 pan. The body, I don't know the manufacturer. It didn't have a data plate. I looked everywhere. But again, a 61 pan, I traded a golf cart for it.
So that's awesome.
Yeah, it spent a time over at the beach, but when I got it, the flywheel kept falling off and I had to do some things to it. But here's the finished product.
It looks great, Carl. And where are you from again?
I am from a Bulverde Spring Branch area, an hour away from here to the south.
We're so glad you're here. Thanks for joining us today on VW Life, man.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you, Carl.
Yes, sir.
All right, you hear ZZ Top in the background, but I don't think they're here. But anyway, here we are at the Lonely Star Roundup. And look, there's Volkswagens here. Shinola, Mark 64, Soylent Green, Arlo. All kinds of cars coming. Here comes a Cobra. That's the coolest thing about this, is it literally is an open show to everything. And so kudos to Jesse James and the guys that are putting this on, because that's the coolest thing, man. There's just all kinds of cars here. So we'll go around and show y'all what all's here. There's a 67. Really cool two-tone paint. And oh, look at that. Got a supercharger. Nice. And a Patronics. Yay, Patronics. We love Patronics. Good old Indy 5-spokes. Very cool. Awesome. That's Lupe's convertible. Been forever since we've seen Lupe around. One of the cleanest cars you'll see. Very unique. Very clean. And it just happens to have 3 carburetors and 1 distributor, and 2 distributors. And a 36 horse. Good old Lupe. Awesome to see this car back out. And about all the unique, there's a 66 Olds next to a Chevy pickup, Comet wagon, a Willys. Another Ford pick 'em up. Camaro Rally Sport with a updated motor in it. Look at that, 383 stroker. 69 Camaro. Ooh, I bet that thing scoots. Here's an awesome Ford with some cool wheels. Here's a hot rod. Look at that. Big block. Pontiacs. Fords. Nice hot rod there. Krager SS's classic. And tri-power. Look at that. That is so clean. I like it. Family Truckster made it.
You think you hate it now, but wait till you drive it.
Clark Griswold and the family are here. That's the family Truckster. Big block, square body Chevy, Dodge Ram. Ooh, Barracuda.
Barracuda.
I miss Hart. So here's the cool stuff. Chrysler Imperials. Look at these things. Wow. Pink Cadillac. Kind of pink. I think that's wine or burgundy. Red. Ooh. Look at that. I'm not sure what color that Cadillac is, but it's really pretty. Ooh, that one's got an updated like a LS motor. Here's a Barrett's. A Fleetwood. Would you look at those wings on the back? Fins. Holy smokes. Look at the sound of that power steering pump. Big old, look at that AC compressor. Holy smokes. German cars in here too. Fancy, fast German cars. GT3. A Toyota. All the shiniest rims I've ever seen in my life. I mean, it probably took like a gallon of mother's cleaner to get those that shiny. They're amazing. So this is what I first started working on, believe it or not. Well, it wasn't that motor. My next door neighbor, Terry, had an Impala, and that's what we first started learning to wrench on many moons ago. Terry's was blue like this. He had a 350. It wasn't that fancy. Oh my gosh, we worked on that thing. But this is how you learn to work on stuff. Every day we'd come home from school and work on his Impala. This car right here brings back awesome memories for me. Very cool. I had the most unique car in the whole show. This Hudson Hornet. Look at this 3-tone, cream, black, and the green avocado. There it is a 57. They don't make them like this anymore. Lift to start. Unbelievable. Hudson. Can't be a show unless you got a GT350. Look at that. True Shelby GT350. I'm guessing, I don't know, 68? Maybe? I have no idea. I'm guessing. Pretty color. Always like the taillights and Shelbys. So it wouldn't be a Jesse James show if there wasn't motorcycles. So here's some really pretty ones. Fancy ones. Look at that. Look at the detail. I think I might paint Jerry that color. It would look good. So this is what Jerry's gonna do when he grows up. He's gonna become a member of the mob mafia. The Global Expedition Group. It's got some giant tires. It's got, those are spares. It's pretty crazy. Let's play Guess That Wheel. First of all, the most amazing thing is it's a 15-incher. 345/35, but it's a 15! And if you guessed Countach, you're right. There it is. I think this is what Rocky drove in like Rocky 3.
You see, I fight, so you don't have to fight. Because I want you to use your head for something instead of a punching bag like I do.
Before he went to Russia, he had one of these. But it was black. Because it was the Italian stallion. Hello. So, look everybody, there's Maria.
Hi everybody.
Woohoo, Maria.
I'm gonna be buying it next.
Yeah,
in
Maria.
a couple of years.
I think I'm gonna just give Jerry to Maria. What do y'all think?
Yes, please.
Yeah, she
vote
said,
for this.
Yeah.
I deserve it. Thank
So there you go. It's a
Gary.
done deal.
Thank you. That's a handshake.
Oh yes, that's the deal. There you go.
Yes, awesome.
Maria on Jerry the bus. Ta-da! This is what a show should be like. First of all, free. Can't go wrong with that. But it's just got a great vibe. It's just wonderful. The Lonely Star Roundup is free. You have everything under the sun. If it's got 2 or 4 wheels, it's here. Got live music in the background. You can hear these guys just cranking off some good music. People are smiling and having a good time. Happy Labor Day, everybody. This is what it's all about, man. Just enjoying living here in the good old USA. Let's go around and see what else is here. Here's my favorite so far. That's a classic hot rod. Old highboy.
Come on, everybody,
Beautiful black. Look at that, louvered. What do you think, Willie? Classic 72 Camaro. Look at that. Just nice. Super clean. Little small block Chevy. You gotta like that. Ford Fairlane. A Chevy pick 'em up. Another one. El Camino. Those are a couple of winners for you. Nixon and Agnew. A really nice job there with a color matched Rhino line. I like that. Auto meter dash, very clean. Ooh, big block. Nice. With the hams on top. It's even better. Love it.
After I hit 8 hams, it's time to go home.
There you go, right there. So that's 1 down. 7 to go, brother. Thanks, man. Enjoy. Here's a sweet blue van for Mad Martin and a special message. Love it. So this is something I'm seeing, these old logos. Very cool. I like that.
My baby hit the train, left me all alone. My baby caught the train, left me all alone. You know she said she'd ride, long as she's been gone.
Well, let's do a quick recap. What say you? Lonely Star Roundup was it was pretty cool. Again, we've talked about this so many times, but the best thing about it is put on a show. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. This was not really anything fancy. They had a lot of volunteers help parking. There was one entrance, one exit into the parking area. Classic, smart there. Had some good vendors, had a food trailer, drink trailer, had a couple other vendors. But the best thing is just an open show for everybody. And you could see how many different kind of cool cars there, not just Volkswagens. It wasn't that long ago, we were kind of, Volkswagen was kind of frowned upon a little bit, hanging out. Not the case, man. People were checking out, asking questions, and were generally happy that we were there. So that's really cool. I think the best thing to take away from today, Lonely Star Roundup, is definitely put it on your list of things to do. Hi, Willie. On things to do, Willie says yes. You give it a thumbs up, Willie. It was fun, laid back, a lot of cool cars. People had just amazing attitudes. It was just a lot of fun. But I think that's the best thing about it, if you ask me. Thank you guys for watching this short little video today here at VWLIFE. Make sure you tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about VWLIFE. We do this for you guys, the VW community. Go out, put yourself together a show. Doesn't have to be anything fancy. Doesn't have to be anything giant. Just put out some flyers, go on Facebook, all that kind of stuff. Post it up, and people will come. That's the best thing. See you guys soon. Thanks for joining us today. Bye, everybody.